guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making my Bubblicious lip gloss, which is this neon pink nude vibrant lip gloss. If you guys want to see how I make this lip gloss, stay tuned. So to get started, of course, I washed my hands and now I'm prepping my table, cleaning it with some alcohol and disinfecting wipes. And then I'm getting my setup together. First I'm grabbing my squeeze tubes, of course, and then laying out my little surface where I'm going to be making my lip glosses. And for today's video, I am going to be using my oil infused lip gloss base. It's infused with coconut oil and vitamin E oil. It's currently unavailable on my site, but I am considering bringing back the oil infused lip gloss base only since I discontinued selling business supplies. If that's something you guys are interested in, please comment that down below to give me some feedback and let me know. But yeah, to make this base, I used the TKB Trading Versagel, and I used the fractionated coconut oil that I got from Amazon, which I'll have it linked down below for you guys in my Amazon store, and this vitamin E oil that I got from Amazon as well. But you can get both the coconut oil and the vitamin E oil from the same site, the TKB Trading site. And then these are the two lip liquids that I use to make the Bubblicious. It's the Uptown Pink lip liquid and the White Pigment lip liquid, and also the Essence, I think Eternal Essence bubblegum scented flavor. But yeah, for the lip liquids, make sure you mix them up to prevent the separation of the oils, because as you guys see at the top, it kind of like separates. And this is the jar that I'm using to mix my pigment so that I can save the leftover. And then I also used a gram scale and this little whisk to mix up the pigment. But yeah, so to get started, I'm measuring out the Uptown Pink, the amount that I need for this color. And the ratios, it is 1 part red to 4 parts white. So in this video, I am not going to be giving you guys my exact measurements, but that is the ratio. So if you guys want to recreate this color, you can. And I'm even telling you what colors to use. I like to use the whisk whenever I'm mixing up the pigments because I feel like it really kind of mixes it together more smoothly. And yeah, so now I'm going to measure out my base, the amount of base that I need. I don't know why I like to do that. But yeah, so I'm measuring out my pigment. Like, I already know exactly how much pigment I need for this amount of lip gloss base. But if you're recreating this color, you just add in as much pigment that you need for how pigmented you want your gloss to be. To make it more tinted, of course, you use less pigment. But if you want it to be super pigmented, then of course you add more pigment, if that made sense. It's kind of self-explanatory, but you know, I just wanted to explain that to you. But yeah, now I'm adding my flavoring oil. And this flavoring oil, it is super, super strong, so you don't need to use a lot if you use the Eternal Essence. And it smells so good. Like, the whole room literally smelled like bubblegum while I was making this lip gloss. Yeah, this color is so beautiful, you guys. And stay tuned for the end of the video because I do show you guys a lip swatch of this lip gloss, and I swatch it on my arm for you so you can really see how pigmented it is. But yeah, now I'm just prepping my syringe and my pipette to fill up my tubes. And I just covered the gloss with the paper towel to prevent any lint getting into it. Not me smacking. But yeah, just cut off both ends of the pipette to create like a little straw effect. And then I added a little piece of tape to prevent the pipette from slipping off while I was filling my tubes. And then of course I'm going to spray my hands with some alcohol because I felt like I was just touching too much stuff. I was struggling to fill up the syringes because the camera and the setup was in my way. So it's not ideal for me to be trying to fill my syringes in this way, but I did what I had to do. But this was the only syringe that I filled up showing you guys because it was just a hassle and the camera was in my way. But I do show you guys me filling up the tubes. So if you guys like that type of thing, stay tuned and just enjoy me filling up these tubes. But oh my gosh, you guys, I did not realize that there was some white pigment on my syringe before I started filling up my tubes. And honestly, I was kind of annoyed, but I left this clip in here because I just needed to show y'all that sometimes stuff just happens. Stay encouraged. Don't let little mistakes like that discourage you from doing something if you really feel like it's what it's meant for you to do, girl. Stay encouraged. Make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward, girl. Is this just so satisfying for y'all? Because as I'm watching this, waiting for the time to pass, I'm just so mesmerized. Like, my eyes is getting low. I'm starting to feel sleepy watching this. I hope it's relaxing for y'all too. It'd probably be more relaxing if I wasn't talking. All right, you guys, we are done filling the tubes. Now I'm prepping some paper towel so I can, well, this is just moving really fast. You guys see what I'm doing. I'm cleaning off all the excess lip gloss. Wow, that was way too fast. But I just felt like, you know, there's no need to hold y'all just for me doing something so repetitive. That's not as satisfying. And just cleaning everything off with some 91% alcohol. If you guys are using 91% alcohol, just be careful that you aren't being too rough with the pressure when you're wiping everything, because if you do, sometimes it will create like, I would say like scratch marks on your tube, so just be mindful. And yeah, I'm just wiping off everything to get any excess lip gloss off. And these shrink wraps, I'll link them down below for me. I got them from Amazon, and then also the heat gun I got from Amazon as well. I'll try to remember to link them in my Amazon store in my business supply section so you guys can shop if you guys need those for your business as well. Yeah, I'm just wiping everything off with alcohol again, and then now I'm applying the shrink wraps. And I'm doing this one in slow motion so you guys could really see what it looks like, or a little bit slower so you guys can see what it looks like as it's shrinking on there. As soon as the heat gun hits it, it shrinks like magic, y'all. And it just adds a little extra professional touch, you know? In case you guys want to recreate this color or are interested in this lip gloss color, here's a little arm swatch and a lip swatch moment for you. It's like a bright neon pink. Like a Barbie pink, honestly. That's what it reminds me of. It's giving me Nicki Minaj vibes. Little goes a long way with this color. It's super, super pigmented. Like, I barely put any on, but you see the pigment. Okay, period. I see the pigment. But yeah, you guys, if you did like this video, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and turn on your post notifications so you guys know every single time I upload a new video.